In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp account using a fake number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. Now, as you can see that it's asking for a phone number. So what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type tempsmss.com. Now scroll down. Here you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use the phone number to create a fake WhatsApp account. So select any country. I'll go with USA. So I'll click on free USA number option. Once again scroll down. These are the phone numbers that you can use to create a fake WhatsApp account. So select any one and click on this receive SMS option. Now right next to the phone number you will see this copy option. So click on it and then go back to WhatsApp and paste the phone number here, but first enter the country code. For USA it's 1. After that paste the phone number, click on next. Now a verification code will be sent to this new phone number. So in order to get that code, you need to go back to your internet browser, scroll down and click on this refresh to view latest SMS option. Again scroll down, and here in this inbox section you will receive the verification code. Once you have received the code, all you have to do is to copy it and paste it on WhatsApp, and after doing that your WhatsApp account will be created. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.